Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today I'm going to show you how I do my toenails using the Polygel without the dual formers. Now I know it's getting to winter and I must say we cannot show our toes again, but I just like to do my toenails. I just like to keep them looking beautiful. So I'm going to be using Polygel, but I'm not going to be using the dual formers. So if you want to find out how I do this, keep watching this video. Now to start, I would like to clip my toenails shorter. As you know, when it's cold, you don't wear sandals, so you would have to keep your toenails short. Now I'm going to come in with these pointy clippers and I'm going to get rid of any debris in the corner of the nail. As you know, if you wear your socks and stuff, sometimes the cotton gets into the corner of your toenail. So I'm just going to get them out if there is any. Now I'm gonna come in with a file and file the top of my nails. I'm also gonna file the tip. I just want it to be a little bit rough. This is gonna help get rid of any excess oil and make the nails stick better. Afterwards, I'm gonna come in with a cleanser and just get rid of the dust. Now I'm gonna push my cuticles back a little bit. This will make it look very natural. And this is gonna help get rid of the excess cuticles. Now I'm gonna base it with a base coat from Modelones. This is gonna help the nails stick better and last longer. It also prevents lifting. So I'm gonna cure it for about 60 seconds. So this is what we have here after 60 seconds, and as you can see, they look nice. Now I would like to use the color nude. This is the color number 5 and it's nude. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and I don't know, I do love the color nude. So I'm gonna use the spatula to take a little bit and I'm just gonna put it on my nail. Using the brush and the slip liquid, I'm just gonna mold it. Now one good thing about Polygel is the fact that it doesn't harden as time goes on, so you have all the time in the world to mold it to your satisfaction. I'm just spreading it to the other side of the nail. Okay, so I'm done with all the 5 toenails and I'm just gonna cure it for about 60 seconds. So it's been after 60 seconds and I've cured them, and I'm just gonna come in with a file and file the sides and the top of it. I'll just shape it a little bit. As you can see, the surface is so smooth, I don't need to file it. So now I'm just gonna come in with a top coat to give it that extra shine. And voila, here we are. At least I'm gonna have some cute feet during this winter. And this is how it looks like in sandals. And I must say, I do like the color nude. It looks so natural and it looks like your natural toenails. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you like this video and I hope you are gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.